Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of Xtreme Mudder 328 wheels. They're a 20x12 with a negative 44mm offset with a red milled finish and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now these Xtreme Mudder wheels, they're offered in a 20 and a 22-inch wheel, and they're offered in a 6 and a 5 lug. The 20s are offered in a 20x10 and a 20x12, and the 22s are only offered in a 22x12. You cannot get them in an 8 lug, so 3/4 ton guys, 1 ton guys, I'm sorry. They are also offered in a couple different finish. You can get them in gloss black with a milled, which would be the silver accent, or a gloss black with the red milled, which is what we currently have. As far as these Radar Renegade tires, they're a great tire for the price. They're produced by OmniSource. OmniSource is a big tire manufacturer. They balance well, they handle well. However, you do have to take in consideration that it is a mud terrain tire, and they're a relatively budgeted mud terrain tire. So they're not the best, but for your money, they are phenomenal. Besides that, the wheels, you cannot beat Xtreme Mudder's prices for the look, and they keep you up to date and up to style. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe some fender flares, or a lift kit, or some rails, or leather, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.